विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. आजच्या सत्रामध्ये आपण पाहूया घटक चाचणी नंबर 3 सेतू अभ्यासक्रमाअंतर्गत. डियर स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू today's class. We are going to see studied about test number 3 mathematics in bridge course standard 8. Total marks 30. First question number first is fill in the blanks. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as empty box, and that complete in complementary angles. They are known as complementary angles. Second, 9 raised to 3 into 9 raised to 2 is equal to 9 raised to 5. Dear student, here base is equal, therefore the indices must be adding each other. Therefore 9 raised to 5, 9 raised to 3 plus 9 raised to 2 equal to 9 raised to 3 plus 2 equal to 9 raised to 5. Now question number third is, according to Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. According to Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Here hypotenuse is the putting word in empty place. Therefore the according Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. Now next question number 4. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही वही आणि पेन घेऊन बसला असालच तर पूर्ण हे पेपर तुमच्या वहीमध्ये नोट करून घ्या. दरम्यानचा चौथा प्रश्न, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. पाय equal to circumference of a circle divided by diameter. Here diameter is the answer place. Answer is diameter. Pi बरोबर circumference of a circle upon diameter means व्यास. Pi equal to circumference of a circle upon diameter. Now next question number 5. In the bracket 5 raised to 5 bracket complete raised to minus 3 equal to 5 raised to minus 15 is the answer. Minus 15 is the answer. Here according by formula of indices, 5 raised to 5 bracket complete raised to minus 3 equal to 5 raised to minus 15. Now question number 2. Solve any 4 of the following question. First is evaluate the expression 50 into 5 divide 2 plus 24 is equal to 250 divide by 2 plus 24 equal to 149. Second is 15xy plus 3x square y equal to 45x cube y. Question number 3. First, minus 5 into minus 3 equal to 50. And second, minus 6 divided by 3 equal to minus 2. Find the volume of cube having side 3 equal to 3 cube equal to 27. Question number 5. 5 plus 5 by 8 equal to 5 plus 0.625 equal to 5.625. अशा प्रकारे या ठिकाणी आपण हे सोडवलेलं आहे शॉर्टमध्ये. समोर पाहूया इन डिटेल, सविस्तर मध्ये पाहू या ठिकाणी आपण आता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, नंबर फर्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and first is 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24 is equal to 250 upon 2 plus 24 is equal to 125 plus 24 equal to 149. 149 is the answer. Now second 15x y into 3x square is equal to 15 into 3 x into x square 45 x cube x square into x raised to 1 is equal to x raised to cube y. Now third, question number 3 in 1 in the bracket minus 5 into minus 3 other bracket is equal to plus 15. Second, minus 6 divided by 3 is equal to minus 2. Fourth, sub question number 4, cube of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27th. Now question number 5, 5 plus 5 by 8 is equal to 5 plus 0.625 is equal to 5.6.25. 5 is to 5 and 5 by 8 equal to 0.625 and addition of these two 5.625. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Now question number 3. Solve any three of the following questions. Mark total mark 9. First is write three rational numbers that lies between the two numbers 3 by 8 and 7 by 8, which is by using given the number line 4 by 8, 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. These are the numbers we see in detail. Question 2. If 5 kg sugar cost 125, how much must we pay for 3 kg sugar? This is also in detail. See in detail. Expand 3x plus 5y whole square. And fourth is the number of patients affected by COVID in 5 days is given below. Find the average of COVID patient affected in 5 days. See in detail. First,
Question number 3.
तुम्ही तुमच्या रुलिंग पेपरवर हे पूर्ण व्यवस्थित टेस्ट सोडून घ्या मित्रांनो, आणि जेव्हा शाळेत मागवतील तेव्हा तपासून घ्या. चला तर मग पाहूया प्रश्न तिसरा.
3 by 8 and 7 by 8. Between these two numbers, the rational number is on the number line as shown as like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8 and 8 by 8. 8 by 8 equal to 1. Now here the numbers in between these two numbers is 4 by 8, 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. Now question number 3 is 1 in 3 and here second in 3. Five kg sugar cost equal to 125. Therefore 1 kg sugar, cost of 1 kg sugar, 1 kg sugar cost is equal to 125 upon 5 is equal to 25. Therefore cost of 1 kg sugar, cost of 1 kg sugar is equal to 25 rupees. Now we find out the cost of 3 kg sugar. Therefore cost of 3 kg sugar is equal to 3 into 25 equal to 75 rupees. Cost of 3 kg sugar. Now question number next 3. Expand 3x plus 5y in the bracket 3x plus 5y bracket complete whole square equal to the expansion of this by formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. This is the formula of expansion of a plus b whole square. Now here a equal to 3x and b equal to 5y. Therefore a square means 3x square plus 2a into b plus b square. B square means 5y whole square. Now solve this bracket. 9x square plus 3 into 5 15 x into y xy 15 into 15 xy into 2 equal to 30xy plus square of 5 y square equal to 25 y square is the expansion. Now question number 4. This is 4. Average of COVID patient. Average equal to sum of 132 plus 135 plus 131 plus 134 plus 138. Summation of these all numbers of patients divided by 5 within 5 days 1 2 3 4 5 is equal to 670 by 5 is equal to 134 is the average. Now question number 4.
यानंतर मित्रांनो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कोणता आहे ते बघा. या ठिकाणी पाहूया. सॉल्व एनी 2 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सब क्वेश्चन्स 8 मार्क. First is, which 2 consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 90? That is 9 and 10 and 15, 18 and 5. 18 and 5 and or 9 and 10 is the numbers. Now second, Subhas's age is more than Sania's age by 3 years. The sum of their ages is 33 years. Find the age of Subhas and Sania. Today's age of Subhas and Sania. And question number 3, the area of rectangle is 120 square centimeter. If its length 15 cm, what is its perimeter? See in detail question number 4, and we write down your notebook or ruling paper. Question number 4.
Suppose Sania's age equal to x years and Subhas age is equal to x plus 3, because difference is 3 years. Therefore the sum condition first, the sum of these two ages is equal to x plus x plus 3 in the bracket is equal to 33. Now after solving x plus 3 equal to 33, therefore 2x equal to 33 minus 3 equal to 30. Therefore 2x equal to 30. Therefore x equal to 15. Now Sania's age equal to x equal to 15 years and Subha's age is equal to x plus 3, 15 plus 3 equal to 18 years. Question number 4, 2 into 4. Now third sub question. Question number 4 and sub question is 3. Let's see question number 3. Area of rectangle equal to 120. Area of rectangle equal to given 120. If the length is 15 cm, then find out its perimeter. To find out the perimeter, first we find the breadth of rectangle. Now area of rectangle equal to area of rectangle is equal to 120. L into B is the area of rectangle. Formula of area of rectangle equal to 120. Here L equal to 15. 15 into B equal to 120. Therefore B equal to 120 upon 15 equal to 8. Now B breadth equal to 8 cm. Now we find out perimeter. Therefore perimeter is equal to twice into L plus B. Formula of perimeter of rectangle. Therefore 2 into L. What is the value of L? 15. By putting the value of L equal to 15 and B equal to B width equal to 8. Therefore perimeter is equal to 2 into 23. Therefore perimeter is equal to 46. Perimeter is equal to 46. This is the answer.
तर मित्रांनो, आजच्या या सत्रामध्ये आपण वर्ग 8वीची ही टेस्ट पाहिलेली आहे. तुम्ही ही टेस्ट व्यवस्थित बघा आणि तुमच्या वहीमध्ये लिहून घ्या किंवा रोलिंग पेपरवर सोडवा प्रश्न उत्तर असेल. आणि नाही एखादा भाग समजला तर मला नक्की विचारा. परत भेटूया पुढच्या सत्रामध्ये. प्लीज सबस्क्राईब माय चॅनल.